candy watermelon with the bumper grill. It's flooding outside and I'm the wettest still. Windows rolled up, cold cup, and some kill. Let me explain the way it feel to ride on 84s. A different level of respect amongst your peers and foes. Another victim of the streets if you ain't on your toes. My two phones might clip, you better watch my toes. Rain coming down while I'm coming down. Heads turn around when them swingers turn around. Shout out to my OG slab riders. Big mix, sport, black body, all my partners. Swing around the puddle, drink muddy as a puddle. Softer than a pool, leather perforated butter. This for all the hustlers out there getting it in the rain. Time to turn the music up and go swing. Swinging in the rain. Swing on, swinging in the rain. So much love between us. Raindrops on my window. Elbows poking out past the fender. Turn sharper than the number 2 pencil. The way I avoid hitting curves is monumental. Slow pace, drinking on my last days, riding one deep, cause my ace caught a case. Something on my mind, so I'm turning up the bass in my zone. I'm swinging with finesse and grace. Forecast muddy, atmosphere cloudy, pouring up while the rain pouring down around me. Shout out to my boy Big D up in the county, pop trunk on the cop, for war where they found me.